I said I feel invincible. Hold on.
All right, here we go again.
So we're on pack 5 now, I think.
Yeah, there's another rookie card. Anthony Siegler. Got a Sean Burke. Base card. Side.
You know who the hottest rookie is right now.
Isaac Collins with a trophy on it. I got an Arizona Diamondbacks team card. Got a Matt Chapman. Oh, a cool card there. Paul Skeens. All right. Look at that.
That is a nice card.
Titan card.
I don't think I've seen any of those online yet.
Cool card.
All right. Give me some of that Paul Skeens magic. You know who the hottest rookie in baseball this year is, don't you?
Who's that?
Also on the Pittsburgh Pirates.
Uh-oh.
Connor Griffith.
That means he'll be a Yankee in 3 years?
Probably. Probably. All right. Get through all these base cards and base rookies. Hey, Mookie Betts, that's a cool picture on a card. Cam Devaney, Pirates. And let's see, we got a ERA, Scuball, Brown, and greatest hits, Roman Anthony.
Nice.
Rookie card. That is a cool.
That's a good card.
That's a cool card.
That's a good
And
card.
then Stars, Jordan Alvarez from the Astros.
Sorry, I have a little trouble opening my packs.
No autographs yet, no numbered cards yet.
No
and
aces or kings?
No aces, no kings, no patch cards. We've got some, that Otani's probably the biggest hit we got so far, just off the top of my head without looking stuff up, but hopefully we can come up with a couple good ones, like really big
Here
ones.
we go. Another trophy card. Base. Another rookie card there. That one almost looks painted. But it's not. I'll just keep it over there since it's a rookie. Another sideways card there. Pretty cool. One of my Cardinals. Uh-oh. Future Stars. Chandler Simpson. Style and Smiles. Youngsters Storm Beantown. That's a pretty cool card.
You're getting all the cool cards. Look at that.
Oh, Dodgers Duo. Japan's finest fuel in LA. That's pretty cool. It's got Otani on it. We'll put it in the good pile. Base card, and then Stars of MLB. I'm not even going to attempt it. Jacques is his name. Rookie card.
I know somebody that does know how to pronounce that name. He's not here tonight. He was supposed to be. Chris Baker. He says he knows how to pronounce every name in the major leagues. So he couldn't make it. So he might be in the next video though. All right. I've lost count what pack we're on.
Well, we have 8 left.
All right. So
Pack number 7.
ooh, like that.
Right off the bat.
Otani.
Titan card. There you go. So what happens when you open your pack up backwards?
I know, right? I'm gonna have to start. I think I'll feel a lot better if I start doing that. Joey Bart, Pittsburgh Pirates. Jose, is it Altuve?
Altuve.
Altuve. And Rangers.
Oh, nice.
This
Profiled
is a
by
nice-
King Griffey Jr.
That's
And
wild.
and who's the player? Ichiro.
Yeah,
So that's cool.
that is very cool. I haven't seen one of those yet.
Nice. All right. Let's get through these base cards. Uh-oh. I've got a white card coming up here soon. Oh, it's just sideways. Bobby Witt Jr. Bigger card. Now we're getting into the pack Scott's been opening up. Not much to go on here.
I always wonder if it's depends on where you buy the cards at. I bought my box came
look at
from
that
Best
card.
Buy.
That's a cool card.
Oh yeah, it's one of the foil. I think that's a foil parallel.
Okay. We got a Fernando Tatis Jr. It's an old card there. And then we got a Gunnar Henderson, Titans of the Game. Perfect.
I think is that the same one? The same Titans I got earlier.